decide to do at the University of Texas. The numbers never lie.
Lots to get to today. The number is 42. The number of dollars the Eagles guaranteed Michael Vick this season. Why his concussion Sunday may have them in trouble this season. The number is 201. That's the number of yards for after getting injured yesterday. Why that's not the real Tony Romo. And the number is 3. That's the number